Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 8 Body Movements. Let us start this wonderful chapter Body Movements. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to define movement and locomotion, learn about the human body and its movement, identify various types of joints, identify various muscles and their function, identify movements in various animals, identify the streamlined body. Now, in today's lesson, let us define movement and locomotion and learn about the human body and its movement. In daily world, you see that people do a lot of activities. Even you do a lot of activities in your daily life. People do skiing, diving, they also do swimming, even you jump, you sing a song, you climb, you play football, tennis, and you ride a bike. You must have seen people riding a horse, skating, surfing, even you are surfing on the net. Even right now, you are having a mobile in your hand or a laptop or a PC, and you are surfing on the net to see this video. You play some musical instrument or you play the basketball. All of these are different types of activities which includes the movements, the body movements. Either it's your hand or your leg or completely you moving or going from one place to another, you are doing some sort of movement. Let us fill the below table in this activity 1. How do animals move from place to place? For example, cow have legs as body part used while moving and cow walk. For another example is human. Which body part is used in moving? Yes, it's legs. And how does animal walk or move? It is walking. Now, dear students, fill the table for snake, bird, insect and fish. I am giving you 10 to 15 seconds. Try to fill it. Okay, let us now see what are the answers which you have written down. For humans, we have already talked its legs and humans walk. For a snake, the body part is whole body and snake slither. For bird, it is wings and birds fly. For insect, it is legs and whole body and insect crawl or slither. Slither is like moving zigzag in a zigzag motion from right left like the snake. Fish uses its whole body and swim. Yes, absolutely correct. Let us define and understand locomotion and movement. What is locomotion and movement? Dear students, locomotion means movement or the ability to move from one place to another. Movement is an act of moving, only moving, not from one place to another. In locomotion, you move from one place to another. You are actually moving from one particular place and going to another place in locomotion. Whereas in movement, you are just moving either your hand, your leg, all these are movements, but not locomotion. Okay? So, what is a movement? A movement is when the living organism moves a body part or parts without any change in position. It means you are not actually moving from one place to another, but you are just moving your hands or your legs or your head. It is the movement. Whereas in locomotion, you are moving the part of body from one position to another. For example, when you walk, you move from one place to another. When you run, when you swim, you are actually moving from one position to another. Hence, all locomotions are movement, but all movements are not locomotion. See the movement of the hands. You can see the movement of the hands and see the movement of legs and waist. You can see the movement of the legs and the waist here. See the movement of legs and the waist. This is movement. This is not locomotion, dear students, because the girl is not moving anywhere. She is at her constant place. The same place, she is only moving the legs and waist. Similarly, see the movements of ankle, knee, and shoulder. This is only the movement. The ankle, knee, and shoulder. They are moving, but since the girl is not moving from one place to another, she is at the same place. It is the movement, not locomotion. I hope the difference is clear. We are able to bend or rotate our body in places where bones meet. We can only rotate the parts where two bones are actually meeting in our body. For example, see your elbow, see in this movement, the ankle, the knee, see the knee is one of the area where the leg is actually moving. The ankle, knee, all these are moving at the knee because at knee, the two bones of lower leg and upper thigh bones actually meet at the knee. Hence, we are able to bend or rotate our body in places where bones meet. Bones. What are the three functions of bones, my dear students? They support in movement and in protection. Movements in your body. This is the table. What kind of movement do you do? Does neck rotate completely? No. Partially? Yes. So you have to fill this table 8.2. Fill it, please. Whether you bends or lifts or does not move at all. Here you have neck, wrist, finger, knee, ankle, toe, back. Keep writing the answers, dear student, in your table, in your book. In NCRT, keep writing the answers. Toe, back, head, elbow, arm, whether it rotates completely, rotates partially, bends, lifts, or does not move at all. You have to write it. Let us see the answers now. So, most of them are rotating partly and lifting. Bending occurs in neck and back. And arm is the only one which rotates completely. Yes, absolutely correct. For today, we have this thing only, so we are having thank you. We will be doing this study ahead in next video about bones and joints and their types. Thank you.